Every Porsche owner faces one question eventually. Why did I buy this car? To stare at it from across the garage? To save miles for the next owner? Or to feel what the greatest driving machine ever built can actually do? Now I get it. Some people want perfection. Flawless paint, low miles, a museum-grade garage. And you know what? There's nothing wrong with that. Everyone appreciates a Porsche differently. But here's the question that never leaves me. If today were your last day with your Porsche, would you be satisfied with what you've experienced? No, not what you've owned, what you've lived. You see, we tell ourselves we'll drive it next weekend, when work slows down, when the weather clears, when life finally gives us space. But excuses, well, they become habits. Habits become months, months quietly become years. And here's the undeniable truth. A Porsche sitting still is a contradiction. And so are we if we wait for the perfect moment. You see, this car, your car, it wasn't engineered to sit still. It was built to be alive, to carve corners, to chase sunrises, to turn any road into something you'll remember forever. Now, I've owned some incredible cars, but none of them have connected me to the driving experience the way a Porsche does. Not because it's the fastest, and certainly not because of what it costs, but because every time I drive it, it reminds me of why I fell in love with cars in the first place. Now here's a secret for you. Your Porsche, well, it won't remember how carefully you stored it. It won't remember the miles you avoided. But you'll remember the roads, the people, the conversations, the early mornings, the long trips home. Because one day, well, the engine will go quiet. The keys, they'll be in somebody else's hands. And all you'll have left are memories. Or perhaps someone else will be left the memories of you. And not for what you owned, but for how you lived. So drive your car, take the trips, live the moment. Because one day, this road, this very road that you're on, is going to end. So make sure you don't leave it wondering where it could have taken you.